Our custom board-and-batten shutters are constructed of injection molded and extruded polypropylene parts. These shutters are 2 inches in depth, have an embossed wood grain appearance, and authentic board-and-batten design. They have UV additives that protect against fading and ensure that they're weather-resistant, long-lasting, and maintenance-free. These shutters are constructed in either closed weave or open weave layout. Each layout comes in 7 standard widths and are available in any length 20 inches and up in 1/4 inch increments. Extended sizes can be made to ensure all size needs can be met. The hollowback design allows for the shutters to be lightweight, but still proves to be sturdy. They come in 22 different configurations, including unique X and Z configurations, with either a straight top or an arch top. Arch tops are typically the same size as the width of the shutter, but can be made to any custom size desired. With so many options, you can provide your home with a truly custom look. The color is through and through and available in 19 standard colors, plus a paintable polystyrene option. Two-tone shutters can be made by request. 3.5 inch painted head metal screws are included with our custom board-and-batten shutters. Whether you're looking to finish the look of your new home or trying to add some curb appeal to your current home, our custom board-and-batten shutters provide the option needed to truly customize your exterior. Perfect Shutters, your one-stop shop for, well, perfect shutters.